Okay, so to make a multicoloured pom-pom, you're going to need your selection of yarn, as many as you like, and a pom-pom, Clover PomPom maker, and a pair of scissors. I do have another instructional video on how to do a pom-pom with one of these pom-pom makers, so I'll link that below and then you can watch that so you know how to use one of these, just in case you don't. So I've chosen 3 different coloured yarns. I'm going to move them out the way so we have space. And I'm going to start with the cream one. Move the scissors. Okay, so I'm going to open up the pom-pom maker and start with one section, one piece of your yarn. I always start so that the outer yarn is to the outer side of the pom-pom, so that it just blends in with the rest of the pom-pom. And then I'll always cross the first section over the top of the first bit just to hold it in place so you don't have to keep your thumb there. It'll still get loose, but it'll be okay. Right, so we're going to wind around the pom-pom. I've totally got this the wrong way around. Wind around the pom-pom and just do it quite open. You don't need to keep them all together. And then once you've done one, bring it to the top and just snip that off so that you're not getting all tangled up, and then get your next colour. You can use that to cross over both ends that you've just made, just to hold it in place. And then again, snip it off towards the top. And then your third colour, to the top and just wide apart, not all like how you would. You'd normally wrap them all together like this and keep it going. But for a multicoloured one, just keep them quite spread apart. Just do a few each time. And then start again. You'll see that I keep starting where I last went. That's just so that I can cross it over the last one that I left, so that I don't have to keep holding them all in place, and I can let go. Right, we're on next yellow. Okay, so I'm going to speed this video up. When it's all pretty much full in the middle there, we shut that one up and we start on the other side, same again. If you wanted one of the colours a bit more dominant than the rest of the colours, you would just fill that in a little bit more. You would do more winding with that colour and just do dots of the other ones. So once you've got our pom-pom maker filled, we snip it all open. Choose a colour to fasten it tight inside. I like to do a few goes around to fasten off, just to make sure it's really nice and tight. and then put a knot in it. Whoops. Right. See, that's going to become part of the pom-pom. So we're going to open this up now. Give it a good fluff up. And then I'm going to trim it onto a little book I've got just to see if it's stuck to this. Sneaky bit. And there we go. Thanks for watching.